Are you tired of being bound by the shackles of your U.S. timeshare? Well, get ready to embark on a liberating journey as we delve into the world of canceling your timeshare. But here's the exciting part. You can do it legally all by yourself. So in this video, I'll guide you through the process of taking matters into your own hands and preparing the necessary legal documents to bid adieu to your timeshare. Put on your DIY cap and get ready to unlock the path to financial freedom without a single worry about your credit score. If your U.S. timeshare is fully paid for and doesn't have a mortgage attached, you have the power to cancel it without any negative impact on your credit score. That's right, folks. Freedom from your timeshare is just a few simple steps away. Firstly, it frees up your financial resources, putting you in control of how you spend your hard-earned money. No more yearly maintenance fees, special assessments, or unexpected expenses draining your bank account. Secondly, saying goodbye to your timeshare allows you to reclaim your precious vacation time. Instead of being limited to a specific location or time frame, you have the flexibility to explore new destinations and experiences. Imagine the excitement of planning a trip without the restrictions of a timeshare schedule. But before we dive into the details of canceling your timeshare, let's clarify the situation. When I say paid in full, I mean you've cleared all outstanding balances and no longer owe any money on your timeshare. If you reach this milestone, congratulations. You're one step closer to regaining your financial freedom. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you on your journey. Review the contract. Familiarize yourself with the terms and conditions of your timeshare agreement. Look for any clauses related to cancellation and understand the procedures outlined. Doesn't matter whether it's before or after the rescission period. Consult an expert. Consider seeking advice from a timeshare cancellation specialist or enrolling in a timeshare cancellation course. They can provide invaluable guidance and ensure that you navigate the process smoothly. Send a written notice. Prepare a formal written notice of cancellation, addressing it to the timeshare company. Clearly state your intention to cancel and include all necessary information such as your name, timeshare details, contract number, and all that. Certified mail. Send your cancellation notice via certified mail or the return receipt requested. This provides proof that your notice was received by the timeshare company. Document everything. Keep copies of all correspondence, including your cancellation notice and proof of delivery. These documents will serve as evidence in case of any disputes that may arise. Confirm the cancellation. After sending the cancellation notice, follow up with the timeshare company to ensure they acknowledge and process your request accordingly. Stay persistent until you receive written confirmation of the cancellation. Cancellation does not affect your credit score. One of the key concerns when canceling any financial obligation is its potential impact on your credit score. However, in the case of a fully paid off timeshare in the United States without a mortgage, you can breathe a sigh of relief. Since there is no outstanding debt associated with your timeshare, canceling it won't negatively affect your credit score. You can confidently pursue cancellation without worrying about any repercussions on your financial reputation. Your credit score is like a golden ticket to financial opportunities. Lenders, banks, and even landlords use it to assess your credit worthiness. A credit score opens doors to favorable loan terms, lower interest rates, and more. So it's natural to wonder how canceling your timeshare might affect this precious number. Here's the scoop. When you cancel your U.S. timeshare after paying it off, there's no need to lose sleep over your credit score. Why? Well, simply put, this timeshare company cannot default on your payment or report anything negative to the credit agencies. Since you've already settled the full payment, your timeshare doesn't fall under the category of outstanding debt that influences your credit worthiness. So, wave goodbye to any concerns about credit score damage. Let the cancellation festivities begin.